Hello. In the last video I shared with you how to set up a Google Hangout, and in this video I'm going to share with you how to set up a Google Meet in Google Classroom. What's the difference between Hangouts and Meet? Well, Hangouts is free and available to everyone. Meet is available with a paid subscription or something like that. In my case, the school district has access to it, so I can use Meet, and you can do a little bit more with that one, such as there's a feature to link it at the top of your Google Classroom page. You can record sessions for students to view later and so forth. So there's just a little bit more option with that. I'm going to go ahead and go to the Google Apps button over here. Classroom. Okay, I'm going to pick a class to add it to. I'm going to do this one. And I'm going to go to the settings bar up here. All right. And when I come down here, look, there it is. Okay, it's actually that simple. Generate Meet link. Ta-da. And it automatically selected visible to students. I'm going to click Save. And now it's there, so they can see it at the top of the screen. Now, as a parent, I viewed where a teacher had done this, and she had said it's at the top of the tab, and I just wasn't sure what she meant. I was trying tabs up here, I was looking all around, and it's in the simplest place. And when you click on this link, it goes directly to the video conference. Now, in order to schedule a conference, you'll have to go to Google Calendar, okay? And so we'll get to that in just a second. And also you can type it right in here and share something with your class. You can set it as an assignment, like maybe make it a participation grade or something like that. And so if it's set as an assignment, it'll show as upcoming over here. And so these are just a few ideas of how you can make it more visible to your students. And of course you can email, call, do whatever you can to let them know the meeting time. But at any rate, once you set up a time, all you got to do is click on this link and it logs you right in. That is provided you're using Google Chrome or another compatible internet browser. If you're not using a compatible internet browser, like say Microsoft Edge or something, it'll give you a link and it'll explain, hey, you can't use this for this conference, try this, and you follow the steps that it gives you. But going into it beforehand with this knowledge will make it a lot smoother. Just do everything in Google Chrome, because Google Chrome is compatible with all the Google things. So that's, I think, going to be the easiest option. So let's go ahead and go to Calendar and schedule this meet. Okay, let's say I want it for tomorrow at 1 o'clock. I've got my other one in there. And you'll notice a tab here for Get Add-ons, and it gives you some options, but Google Meet isn't in mine for some reason. See, I can search it in here, and unless it added it from my doing the other one, nope, it's not there. But I can click Create, so that's what I'm going to do. Click Create, and I'm going to title it Okay, I'm going to set a time. Let's see, beginning time. We'll say 1. Ending time 1:45. I can add guests. I'm not going to, because I've got the link in the classroom. I think that's going to be fine, so I won't take up time doing that right now. But you could if you want to be more thorough. Okay, I'm going to go back to my original class, and so I have it on the calendar here, and I believe I can go to Edit and look at different options. That's the one we want. So let's say I want this to show in Google Classroom. I can click right here on the ... options, and then copy to, and I can copy it to the class. So there will be yet another way to notify them. Hit save, and now it's on the calendar. And so what they should be able to do is, if they're looking at their classwork tab, they can go to Google Calendar and see it. And so that could be another way to kind of help out with that. Okay, so that's how you set up a Google Meet in Google Classroom. And one last suggestion I have for this is, if it's the first time you're all going to be meeting together, and you're going to always have somebody that's like, I don't know where the link is, I don't know where to go or how to log in or whatever, tell them the compatible browser versions to have beforehand, tell them to log in beforehand, test it out, and then take a screenshot, like maybe just take a screenshot from your computer, post it in here, or use your phone, what have you, but take a screenshot and point to where the link is. So that way they can go, oh, okay, because I know once I knew that, it was so easy, and it's so easy to start a video conference call. So I hope that helped, and if you have any more questions or suggestions that may improve this, just let me know in the comments below.